Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Kyyivwine Retractable Car Charger. It's a 4-in-1 car charger with 66 watt power. We have two retractable cables with Type C and the Lightning connector. And of course, we have also USB charging ports. One USB-A and one USB-C charging port. And it's compatible with your cigarette lighter on your car or truck. We have here a USB-C splitter, which is compatible with, of course, our iPhone series 15, 14, 13, 12, and so on. And of course, it's compatible with all other smartphones out there, like the Galaxy, the Google Pixel, Huawei, and so on. Because all of that smartphones works with USB-C. We have a retractable car charger design here. This is the big thing beyond that. We use the cigarette lighter in the car to carry a USB charger and charge our device efficiently, stable and continuous, and of course quickly. This car charger has a maximum power of 66 watt, whereby the USB-C cable offers the fastest charging power of 40 watt, and the IRS cable and USB port have normal charging speeds too. We have a 4-in-1 portable retractable cable and connector. The 4-in-1 car charger adapter is suited for different mobile phone types and can quickly charge 4 devices at the same time. The car charger offers true retractable cables, Type C and Lightning, as well as USB-C and FUB charging ports. The maximum retractable length of the two charging cables is 800 mm, which provides a maximum help to our devices, and it's possible to use your smartphone on the passenger seat while we're driving. The retractable car charger is compatible with fast charging protocols PD and QC 3.0, AFC, MTK, and FEP. We have the flexible angle adjustment on top. This telescopic car charger is not only convenient for using different chargers, but the bottom can also be adjusted left and right, up and down, with a maximum adjustment angle of up to 170 degrees, which makes the controller more convenient. We can adjust the adjustment angle and easily charge the device in the back seat, for example. And we have a real-time voltage display. To effectively protect the safety and the life of our devices, the car charger is equipped with a real-time voltage display function to monitor the current charging voltage status in real time. In smart chip and multiple protection system, the charging can be stopped automatically. It protects our device while charging safely. And multifunctional application device. It's compatible with a 4-in-1 device where retractable car charger included all kind of phones out there, and the most laptops and tablets on the market. And we use it with confidence because we dock it into position, because nearly every car out there has a lightning adapter port, and then you can plug it into it. And then use not only the lightning port, you can use the lightning cable with your old school Apple device. And of course the newer one with the USB-C cable and connector possibilities. That's cool, that's reliable, that's easy. This is Kyyivwine Retractable Car Charger. This is a 4-in-1 car charger with 66 watt power and true retractable cables with Type C and Lightning ports. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.